Thank you very much.
To see you again.
Happy to see you.
To see you, please.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
I hope it was not too inconvenient to ask you to come here to, happy to see you.
Oh, I'm very happy to see you. Thank you. Such things are with such mood. It's about peace, about everything.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
It reflects the energy with this.
This is brothers and sisters, Fratelli Tutti, repeating. Very good. And have a wonderful Christmas.
I hope so. A little bit.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, very good.
Thank you for your prayers.